In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize objects in Fusion 360. Resizing in Fusion 360 is handled with the Scale tool, and it's perfect for quickly making a part larger or smaller while preserving its overall shape. Whether you're adjusting a single body, an entire component, or even a sketch, the process is straightforward and gives you precise control. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360 so you can see the part or assembly you want to modify. Make sure you're in the right design workspace and that the component you want to change is active if you're working in an assembly. This helps ensure the scale is applied exactly where you intend. Next, head to the Modify menu and choose Scale. You'll find Modify on the toolbar when you're in the solid, surface, or form environments. Selecting Scale will open a dialog and display interactive handles in your canvas. Now select what you want to resize. You can pick a body for a single solid, a component to scale everything inside that component at once, or a sketch if you want to scale 2D geometry. Keep in mind, scaling a body changes just that geometry. Scaling a component affects all its bodies and features as a unit. When scaling a sketch, the geometry and its driving dimensions scale proportionally, which is great for quick proportional changes. Choose a point of reference for scaling. This is the fixed point around which the expansion or contraction occurs. Click a vertex, an edge midpoint, a sketch point, or use the origin if you want it to grow evenly in all directions. Picking the right anchor point helps maintain alignment with other geometry. Enter your scale factor or drag the on-screen handles to resize. A factor of 1 means no change, 2 doubles the size, and 0.5 halves it. Typing a number gives you precision. Dragging the handles gives you quick visual feedback. Watch the preview to confirm it behaves as expected. If you're working with tight tolerances, it's best to type the exact factor to avoid small rounding differences. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the changes. Fusion 360 will add a scale feature to your timeline so you can always edit or suppress it later if your design requirements change. After applying the scale, take a moment to inspect critical areas like holes, fillets, and interfaces with other parts. Scaling is uniform, so proportions stay consistent, but functional fits may need verification. With that, you've successfully resized your object in Fusion 360 using a precise, reliable workflow.